friends, I have a quick tip to share, and it has to do with none other than your favorite green bottle glue. Now, every card maker I have ever asked if they knew this about this glue has been completely shocked. They had no idea. It's pretty simple, but there's a decent chance you may not know this either. So let me show it to you. So here it is, my friends. Did you know that the Tombow favorite green bottle multi-purpose glue that we all know and love, I use this stuff for pretty much everything, has two tips. It has a fine tip and a broad tip. Now, if you look at the packaging, it actually tells you this, but I mean, who sits around and reads the words on your glue bottle? You just use it, right? You just use it. So this one right here says 2 applicators. This one says pin tip, broad tip. So here's the one that you see me use all the time. It's just kind of a habit. Even when I should be using the other tip, it's just kind of a habit because I use the fine tip, the pin tip, all the time. It's perfect for die cuts. I use this for little fine things. I use this for all kinds of stuff. I use it to cover the whole back of my cards sometimes. But here is the part that lots of people don't know, is there is a broad tip applicator as well. And here's what this one is for. This one is for when you are going to cover a large piece, because this stuff is amazing for putting whole pieces on your card. You have this broad tip applicator that helps spread it out for you so that you don't have those globs, because when you get the globs, every once in a while, depending on the kind of paper you use, it may kind of warp your paper and it may show through from the other side. But this broad tip applicator helps to spread that out. So give me a comment below. Tell me, Anna, I already knew that. Duh. Or tell me if you just learned something today in this quick tip video. So give me a like, subscribe to my channel while you're here. I have lots and lots of other card making tips and tricks to share, and I hope you'll check them out. So I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope I'll see you again next time when I'll be here helping you to hand make with love.